Wow, you got me flowers?
I came to see the flowers that my son Ademola said he got for you. What did you do? We have selected the best husband material for you, even in this time of husband scarcity.
You know what? I'm out of here.
Okay.
I'm about to go right now. Like, step out of the door.
Leave!
America!
We ain't got no visa.
But for now, you just gotta chill.
For chilling your family freezer after being heated up in your car. Oh, God knows what.
The man, whoever I marry, he's gonna at least get down on his knees.
No, why would I get down on my knees?
What are you waiting for? The best of entertainment is now at your fingertips. Download the Airtel TV app and start watching today.